cool ass. Everybody say he's so nice, how do you do that? Okay, that song was cool ass. Wow. Okay. I don't want to say calm down to you guys. You guys are great. This is amazing. Okay, that was cool as that song was kind of, LA vibe. And
There you go.
I had a great day yesterday.
What did you do?
I went to Disney Studios tour, not Lens tour, studio tour. What was that? Burbank?
Yeah.
Burbank? Yes.
Did you like Burbank?
I went to Walt's office. I was there. I was like you guys, like, this is, like, the tour guide was like, this is the original something of something. Ah! I was like that. And first sketch of Aladdin and everything, and oh my god, I'll feel more stories on the show. And and I had great dinner with my friends. And
Gee, that's such a nice time.
I'm sorry, Italian. Yeah, Italian. And all my friends wanted to go Korean restaurant after that, so I went to the restaurant called Buria. So I was like sitting there and I was getting the menu soju. Some dollars. I was like, what?
Right?
Oh no!
Right?
Oh.
They're robbing us. That's right. Send help! Dude, it's so bad. Help us.
But you guys pay for Takis only $2. How great was that? It becomes like 15 when it comes to Korea. Yeah, let's trade soju and Takis. And, oh, I had Chipotle today.
Mariko, let's go.
It was my first meal. I feel like I'm working at government or something. What was your question? I love that. I had the waffle fries and the most reviewed sandwich was what?
Chick-fil-A Deluxe?
Spicy something.
Get up there and take his order, Mariko, like all the time.
Yeah. I love their
You can
pickles.
be Chick-fil-A all day, in and out.
And okay, wow. Oh my god, okay. Let me drink something. Because I don't know why, but I have no jet lag today.
Good job.
Thanks to
Yeah,
yesterday.
so.
I didn't sleep until 12 o'clock in Asian timeline. You too. And that's why I don't have any jet lag.
But it works.
Yeah, what else would I want to say? I mean, there's a question like, but I've already asked you guys, like, what song do you want to, like, the most want to hear and kill and, but, yeah. This year.
Yes.
Wow.
Champion Vegas.
It was great. He was here before.
Yeah.
I should come back, yes.
Yeah.
My
Jackson.
China World Tour where I really want to. No, we're having you guys know like Mino posted some stories. We're having meetings these days for Shiny. Of course, we're gonna do something next year as Shiny.
Shiny World Tour.
Our 18th, anniversary. Damn, 18. I cannot still believe I'm like still singing here, but I'll always sing for you. I couldn't imagine this, but yeah, it took 18 years anyway. And thanks for having me again. Yeah, I feel like this is like no. This is the end of my concert, so I don't feel like that kind of thing. So you just enjoy, okay? The show didn't start yet, so this is just sound check. It's like maybe ice breaking. We kind of had long distance.
Yeah.
I miss you too. Is there anyone who went to K-Con? And SM Town? Oh, okay. When it was 17? 16?
2017. Shiny World. Shiny World. We were there.
Wow, 16, 17.
Rose
Youth. But I'm still young,
I'm still young. You age
Yeah,
backwards.
Been to army already, so I've been
Yeah.
twice. It's all done. I wanted to sing this song for a sound check. I wanted to hear like how you gonna sing this song. So it's going to be okay. Stop. Please, let replay rest a little bit. We've been singing that song almost like, including trainee, we almost been singing that song like 20 years. In Korea, in Japanese. The whole wide world. I know you guys love that song, I love that song, but he's taking a nap right now. Let me sing. Let me sing. Good and great.